Today I will show you how to create a chart. The name of the chart is pie chart. This is the for the sleep 33.3%. This is also for the work 33.3%. For gym, this is also for TV and this is for eat. And this is the elements work, eat, TV, gym and sleep. Okay. So how to create this? If you want to create this, you need to add the HTML and also CSS style. To access the HTML, you need to add your JavaScript. Open my notepad. Okay. In the body part, I have declared the heading, which is the how to create a simple chart with HTML and CSS. This is the heading, and I have declared a div tag, and the ID is Python. Okay. Now, if you want to access the PyChat with this JavaScript, now add the JavaScript source file. Okay. Now load the Google chat. Okay. The Google location for accessing chat. Now declare a function that is the draw chart and declare the variables. As we know, the elements are text, work, eat, TV, gym, and sleep. Okay, and this is the hours per day that you may must. Okay, for work 8 hours, 2 hours, and for the TV for entertainment 4 hours. Okay, you want to go to gym for 2 hours and for sleeping 8 hours. And this is the day daily routine for a man and woman also. Okay. Now declare a variable whose name is options. Set the title. This is the Python and set the height and height. Now you have to create the chart. To create the chart, firstly declare the global visualization and this is the Python function and call the Python ID and that is the Python. The calling method is document.get by ID. Name is Python and the function is chart.draw. Okay, and this is the data and the option as I added before and the option the data are Python and the white at hand. This is the simple JavaScript. Okay, this is the deep tag Python ID name. Okay. Now I am going to set the out refresh. So thanks for watching.